Many industries, such as food service and food manufacturing, are connected to agriculture and depend on farms. Agriculture is very sensitive to weather and climate. It also relies heavily on land, water, and other natural resources that a climate affects.
So here we have the hot sun. And then a farm with small crops. Coincidence? I think not.
The world population is expected to grow to almost 10 billion by 2050. With 3.4 billion more mouths to feed and the growing desire of the middle class for meat and dairy in developing countries, global demand for food could increase by about 59 to 98%. This means that agriculture around the world needs to step up production and increase yields. But scientists say that the impact of climate change, higher temperatures, extreme weather, drought, increasing levels of carbon dioxide and sea level rise, threaten to decrease the quantity and jeopardize the quality of our food supplies. In addition, because food is a globally traded commodity today, climate events in one region could raise prices and cause shortages across the globe. Starting in 2006, drought in major wheat-producing countries was a key factor in a dramatic spike in food prices. Many countries experienced food riots and political unrest.
Because of global warming recently, there have been a lot more droughts. Farms need water in order to grow crops. That's why it's important to make sure you save water when washing your clothes by filling up with a full load.
Recycling can reduce the amount of waste that goes into landfills and thus reduce the amount of pollution released into the environment. Recycling can even reduce water pollution by reducing the need for extracting new materials, which can lead to runoff and other forms of pollution. Recycling can also save energy.
Save energy at home. Much of our electricity and heat are powered by coal, oil, and gas. Use less energy by replacing your heating and cooling use. Switching to LED light bulbs and energy-efficient electric appliances, washing your laundry with cold water, or hanging things to dry instead of using a dryer. Improving your home's energy efficiency through better insulation, for instance, or replacing your oil or gas furnace with an electric heat pump can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 900 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year.
Should we take the car?
Nah, let's take the bus today instead.
Sounds good.
Walk, bike, or take public transport. The world's roadways are clogged with vehicles, most of them burning diesel or gasoline. Walking or riding a bike instead of driving will reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help your health and fitness. For longer distances, consider taking a train or bus, and carpool whenever possible. Living car-free can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 2 tons of carbon dioxide per year compared to a lifestyle using a car.
Right here, we have the bus stop.
Switch to an electric vehicle. If you plan to buy a car, consider going electric, with more and cheaper models coming on the market. In many countries, electric cars help reduce air pollution and cause significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions than gas or diesel-powered vehicles. But many electric cars still run on electricity produced from fossil fuels, and the batteries and engines require rare minerals, which often come with high environmental or social costs. Switching from a gasoline or diesel-powered car to an electric vehicle can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 2 tons of carbon a year. Here's a Tesla, for example. We have a satisfied customer.